So it is Wednesday. No, it is Thursday. Sorry. Okay, so I decided, what am I gonna eat for dinner? I am a pizza addict. For those of you that don't know, yes, I'm a pizza freak. So I saw this on Pinterest. It is literally like 4 ingredient pizza. So it was a cup of, it said mozzarella cheese, but I just used this Italian blend, and it had, I mean, this one has, it's 5 cheese. So it's a cup of that, and then a 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, okay? 1 egg, and seasoning of choice, like I put Italian seasoning. Okay, so you put that all in a bowl, and then you mix it together, okay? And that's all there is to the pizza. And then you can put like some marinara and pepperoni. So this is supposed to be the crust. I've never made this kind of pizza. I've always made the fathead pizza or the skillet pizza. I'll use a low carb wrap and the tortilla and make a pizza out of that. So we'll see. So there, it's all mixed together. I smell it, sorry. Now I'm supposed to put it on the cookie sheet. Okay, now I ran out of parchment paper because I wasn't planning on making this pizza. I wasn't planning on making it, but it was just like, oh, I have the ingredients, I have a taste for pizza. But I'm supposed to put it on parchment paper, but I don't have any, so I'm just gonna, I sprayed my cookie sheet with coconut oil, and now I'm going to just add this on there. Okay. So I'm just gonna add this on there, so I'll be right back. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna add this to my cookie sheet. I'm gonna try and make it a little bit round as I possibly can. But I'm assuming that because it's cheese, it's gonna melt and it's gonna look all weird anyway, and it's gonna lose that round shape. So I'm not gonna put too much thought into it. So I'm just flattening it out on my sheet here. Okay. I'm very hopeful because, like I said, I love pizza, and I've tried so many. I've tried the cauliflower crust. It tastes like cauliflower. It doesn't taste like pizza, and it doesn't get crispy. Tried the broccoli crust, same thing. It doesn't get crispy, and it tastes like broccoli. It doesn't taste like pizza, okay? So yeah, I'm hopeful. So there, I just spread this all out in a circle as best I can, okay? Okay, and then it says put your toppings on there. So okay, so there it is. Okay, I'm going to get my marinara sauce and my pepperoni, and I will be right back. Okay, so I have my marinara. I'm gonna just use like a pasta sauce, and this is like tomato, onion, and garlic. So I'm not gonna add that much because you don't really need that much. I'm just gonna add some. When I say that much, when I say I don't need that much, then that's just code, like I do. You know, I'm a sauce person. How many people? It's all about the sauce. It's all about the sauce of pizza. Like, you could totally lose me if the sauce isn't good. So, okay. So I'm just adding a little bit of sauce, and then I'm going to add the pepperoni. Okay. So let's see. I'm really hopeful this is going to be delicious. Okay, there. That's all I needed. And it's all ready to go. Going to put that in the oven. It looks so good already. Excited. Put this in the oven, and then it says cook for 20 minutes at 350. So we will see. I will be back. Okay, I'm back, and oh my God. Okay, so it didn't stick like I was hoping it wasn't gonna stick, but this is how it looks. I'm going to take it out and let it cool on the cutting board so that I can cut it. But yeah, it looks super good, super crispy. It kind of rose a little bit because of the egg, I'm assuming. So let me get my spatula and put it on the cutting board. Okay, so I transferred it to the cutting board, and I'm gonna cut it now. So let's see. Going to taste it. I'm hoping it doesn't have that eggy flavor. So we shall see. Let's see. The edges are more crispy than the center. And I'm assuming if you let it cook longer, it'll get a little bit more crispy. But let's see. Okay. So the crust is very crispy. Let me see. Okay. Tastes like pizza. Tastes like pizza. Yes. Okay. I think next time I'm gonna let it cook. It says to let it bake for 20 minutes. I think I'm gonna let it bake for an extra 10 minutes. I don't mind that the edges get super crispy. I don't mind that at all, but I would like this to be a little bit more crispy. So I think I'm gonna let it cook for an extra 10 minutes. Next time I do this, I definitely will be making this again. It was so simple. Like I said, it was just a cup of mozzarella. I used an Italian blend, a quarter cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 egg, and I used Italian seasoning. I'm not gonna tell you how much because I never measure. I just kind of maybe like 4 or 5 shakes. Mix it all together. You put it on the cookie sheet. You put a little bit of marinara, whatever toppings you want. Put it in the oven. It doesn't get any easier than that, guys. So there you go. Keto pizza. It was a win. I'm just gonna let it cook a little bit longer. Yeah, but if you watch this video, thank you for watching. And as always, I'm going to be trying more. Pizza got me so excited. I'm gonna try and be more consistent as far as posting. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Have a great night.